You're about to embark on an expedition full of mysteries and secrets hidden in the heart of Africa. The Democratic Republic of the Congo, a place where science, legend, and the unexplainable meet in a wild, untamed setting. In this video, we'll explore discoveries that left the world speechless. A millennia-old bone with mathematical markings that defies human history. Ghostly white giraffes emerging from the forest. A giant snake that seems pulled straight from forgotten mythology. And an ape so strong and aggressive, it's said to have fought lions. Get ready to meet a frog that devours prey like a predator. And other creatures that simply shouldn't exist. This isn't a sci-fi movie. This is the Congo. And all of this is real. Hidden deep within the forest, the Ishango Bone was discovered on the shores of Lake Edward near the border with Uganda. This bone fragment, over 20,000 years old, contains markings that are anything but random. They follow mathematical patterns, including multiplication and even prime numbers. For many archaeologists, this completely rewrites the timeline of human knowledge. How could such ancient people understand this kind of mathematical logic? The answer remains buried in the soil of the Congo. But that wasn't the only thing that left scientists stunned. In isolated regions of the forest, cameras captured a rare being, giraffes with partial albinism. Lacking traditional spots and nearly translucent, they look like ghosts walking among the trees. For decades, it was believed they had already gone extinct there. How did they survive in silence for so long? In one of the most dangerous regions on Earth. The mystery is as dense as the forest itself. And if you think that's already strange, take a deep breath. Because reports of a giant snake over 39 feet long have surfaced in military missions and scientific expeditions. A Belgian helicopter even spotted from above an enormous serpent slithering between the trees. Many believe it's a remnant of prehistoric species, a living fossil. But the strangest part is that, even with all our technological advancements, this creature has never been officially recorded. Is it fear or censorship? And the surprises don't stop there. In northern Congo, local hunters and researchers have reported encounters with a giant primate, the Bondo ape, also called the killer chimpanzee. It's unlike anything ever cataloged. It walks partially upright, has more aggressive facial features, emits deep guttural sounds, and, according to locals, has even fought off wild cats. Human-sized footprints have been collected. There's hair, there are samples, but so far nothing conclusive. The question remains, are we looking at a new species? And if the forest weren't enough, even the Congo's swamps hide natural aberrations. Scientists have found a predatory frog with jaws powerful enough to devour prey almost its own size. It's fast, strong, and adaptable, proving that in this ecosystem, even the smallest creatures hide something terrifying. But nothing compares to the peatlands at the end of the world. In a remote area, researchers discovered a waterlogged soil full of fossilized organic matter that stores billions of tons of carbon. If destroyed, this layer could release enough gases to accelerate climate change catastrophically. It's a ticking time bomb beneath the ground, and few even know it exists. Finally, there are the bais, secret clearings where elephants, antelopes, and even gorillas gather as if in social arenas. The behavior observed in these places is so specific, it suggests a form of advanced communication between species. As if the forest literally has its own codes and invisible laws. And even in the face of all this, the greatest obstacle to science is the human being. expeditions are constantly threatened by illegal logging, armed poachers, and conflict zones. There are places where researchers simply cannot enter, and when they do, they're often prevented from sharing what they've found. Now stop and think. What if all of this is connected? What if the Congo is actually a living archive of everything Earth once was, and everything it might still become? The Ishango Bone, the peatlands, the Bondo apes, the bais, the snakes, the frogs, the giraffes. Maybe they're not separate stories, but pieces of the same code. While the world looks to Mars and the Moon, we forget that there's more mystery on Earth than we can imagine. The Congo is not just a territory, it's a living reminder that the unknown still surrounds us. And maybe deep down, that's what scares us the most, knowing that we still know nothing.